Lecture number 5, this comprises of area of triangle. Now, in trigonometry, you need to understand the area of the triangle. What we have been using is area of triangle, which is half into base into height, which is normally used in your right angle triangle. But this formula is derived formula from the original formula. Your original formula for the area of triangle is half into A into B into sine theta. This generalizes the formula to find the area of what? Triangle. For this, you need to understand that what A, B and theta represents. Your theta is the angle and A and B are sides. But sides should be adjacent to the angles. Adjacent to the angle. For this, what you need to understand is that, for suppose, if we have a non-right angle triangle, if this is theta, then the adjacent side to this theta will be this and this side. That means these two sides can be represented as A and B, or this can be A or this can be B. That means either side can be A or B. Similarly, if I've been given a non-right angle triangle, and I've been told that this is your angle, then to find the area of the triangle, this side and this side will be used. Only the adjacent sides can be taken into consideration from the theta given. That means this can be A and this side can be B, or this can be A and the other side can be B. Similarly, if I have a non-right angle triangle, and as I said, if the angle is given here, then we need to take adjacent sides as A and B. That means either side can be A or either side can be B. Similarly, case that if I want to use, considering the formula, let's say this is 8 and this is 10, and the angle that we have is 60. So to find the area of the triangle, your area will be used as half into A into B into sine theta. This is your formula. Then your formula will be considered with any value. That means 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 10 multiplied by sine theta should be what? 60. Just remember this thing, that the sides should be adjacent to the angle given. Side should be the adjacent to the angle that are given. So that means 8 into 10 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40 sine 60. Using calculator, your answer should be 34.6. So this is basically your area of triangle. This is your area of the triangle. In same manner, if I say that this is your right angle triangle, so if this is 8 and this is 10, so in right angle triangle I use what? Half into A into B into sine theta for what? For area. Using this answer, can we say half into your 8 into B? Sine theta will be what? Theta should be 90 here. Theta should be 90 here. And sine 90 is always equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1. So that means we end up having what? Half into 8 into 10. So which represents the triangle area, half into base into height, which is represented through the formula that is half into base into height. So that means the answer to this particular question will be 40, because 8 into 10 is what? 80. 80 divided by 2 becomes what? 40. But remember, for right angle triangle, you can easily use half into base into height, because the angle is sine 90. And sine 90 is always equal to what? 1. So since sine 90 is equal to 1, we have generalized the area triangle formula into half into base into height. However, the original formula is half into A into B into sine theta, that is used for any triangle that is given. So this means that this formula will be basically used for non-right angle triangle. The formula this is here will be used for what? Non-right angle triangle. Okay. Find the area of the triangle. It says that we have A, B, and C. What we need to understand is, to find the area of the triangle, we have been given the formula that is A into A, half into A into B into sine theta. See, you have been given two sides that are 10 and 12. So we can easily find out this side, this angle, because the other two angles are given. So can we just say that half into 10 into 12, but theta is missing. But theta can easily be found out using the sum of triangle, which will be 70 plus 60 plus angle what? C. And this should be what? 180. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 130. Angle C should be what? 50. So what we can do is, we can write down half into 10 into 12 into sine 50. The answer for the area will be, using the calculator, 4 455 point. This should be 45.96. So the area for the triangle will be 45.96. So this is given generalized to find out the area when the other two sides are given. Sometime in the question, you have been given a triangle and you have been told to find the area, but angle properties can be used. For suppose, if this is your triangle and you have been given that this side is, let's say, 60. So in this particular case, you will be told to find out the area of ABC. So area of triangle ABC, I know that adjacent sides are 10 and 12. I can easily find out this area, this angle. To find out this angle, angle ABC plus angle CBY should be equal to have sum of what? 180, because it is a straight line. And we know that one side is what? 60. So easily what can we do is, we can subtract it from 180 to find what? Another side angle, which is 120. Now, when we know that this side is 120, the angle of B is 120. So similar way, half into A into B into sine theta can be used. And the formula can be used as half into 10 into 12 into sine 120. So the answer to this particular question will be 51.96. So the area for this is 51.96.